Hi guys, I'm here today to talk to you about the Dualsenses Silver line. Gray hair can sometimes appear yellowish and dull. With the Dualsenses Silver Shampoo, the new conditioner and 60-second treatment, you have the perfect tools to help your clients combat the unwanted yellowing effect and refine their cool gray hue. The products also feature Luminescine, which transforms non-visible UV light into visible light for magnificent color brilliance. Help your gray hair clients to select the care regime that is most suited for their needs. Often, gray hair can appear coarse and dry. To work against this, we recommend the Dualsenses Silver Conditioner with every wash. It immediately detangles and provides care. Combine it with the Dualsenses 60-second treatment once a week to instantly regenerate the gray hair by up to 100% in 60 seconds. This regime will allow you to give the gray hair the care that it needs. If you want to learn more about our Dualsenses products, check out our other videos.